You've been told your whole life that you need a job to survive. But what if I told you you don't need a job? You can live off passive income, and I'm going to tell you today how to do this and how and why it is that society has told us that we need a job when we don't. I don't know about you, but when I went to school, we were told that we would have a job after school. It was just taken for granted. We were not told other options. We've been conditioned that it's our only option. And I think it's because the system doesn't reward freedom, it rewards obedience. I live such a soft life now. I make money from YouTube videos, so old YouTube videos is giving me passive income while I'm going on vacation, doing my hobbies, living my life. And I was never told that was an option when I went to school. And I believe this is a whole conspiracy. The elite wants you to trade your time for money so that you don't have time to get enlightened, wake up what's going on in the world, who is running it, or realizing you can escape it, the reincarnation trap through enlightenment, like many of the big masters have done, like Buddha and Jesus. So if you're in a job, you're making money on their terms, in their preferred way, but you can switch it around and make money on your own terms. And they love that because they want all the money to be with them. So there's two shifts that you need to do to never have to work again. First shift is from employee to creator, and the second one is from consumer to creator. Because if you're spending hours per day scrolling social media, that is time you could have spent creating content and creating passive income. Now, it's not instant and it's not easy, and I think that's why many people give up and they stick to their job because it's predictable income. They can sit back and relax. Well, with a business, there's ups and downs, and you learning and growing, and in the beginning it might be a bit slow, but at least you're building something that is yours. During COVID, I was still a full-time creator, so I wasn't fired, worried about my income. I was actually earning more during that time because everybody was at home watching YouTube. And there's gonna be times in the future where this will happen, whether that is AI replacing work, another pandemic. We're taught that having a job is so safe, but it's literally so risky. It's outsourced control over your income. And I've actually created a 10-week bootcamp on exactly how I did this. I'm making 3 or 4 times as much as I did in an office job per month while only needing to work 4 hours per week. And it's in my program Nomad Freedom Academy. So if this sounds interesting, if you're tired of having a boss, of having a job, tired of the commute, then book a free business clarity call where you will get more guidance on what your brand, what your niche could look like, and you will learn more about the Nomad Freedom business model and how you can apply it for yourself. And you can join the academy, and I would love to coach you. I think it's a really beautiful shift that's happening in society now, where you don't need a middleman like a record label or a book publisher or a TV company for you to sign your soul away so that you can get impact and abundance. Now with social media can get income directly to you and away from these big corporations, because people want authenticity nowadays. They're tired of these millionaire A-list celebrities who aren't even relatable. So that's where you come in, because you have so much wisdom to share with the world. I only attract an audience of people who are meant to be new earth celebrities, and they're coming to YouTube, they're coming to social media. This is where the younger generation hangs out, and you can help them, take them from where you used to be, the younger person, what you were struggling with, and how to get out of that. You can share your transformation. You can inspire and have impact over millions of souls. So ask yourself, what is a challenge that you have overcome that you are really passionate about? For example, one of my students in Nomad Freedom Academy, he used to really struggle with his weight and his health. So he started with home workouts, and that transformed his body. So now he teaches other people how to do the same. So if you want to learn the best business models for spiritual people, love you and see you in the next video.